Welcome everyone to HFN. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 9th, 2021. Going to give you all an update on Bitcoin. You guys can see that the market made a substantial movement higher in price due to the so-called news of Tesla buying 1.5 billion Bitcoin, adding it to their portfolio on their accounting books. We need to see whether or not Bitcoin is going to maintain its strength. And that's the reason why we're going to do this video. Give you all a heads up as to where we're expecting price to go in Bitcoin and see if we can actually give a price target on where we expect the market to go. Okay, you guys can see here, we already did a forecast previously for Bitcoin. We're going to go into that and then talk about where we're expecting the market to go from here on out. Now, before I get started, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you appreciate getting a heads up as to where we're looking for market price to go. Hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, you can join us on our second channel to where we are giving stock price predictions as to where we're expecting the trap to go in regards to stock prices. Head on over there. The link is in the description of this video as well. So like I said, we did a video for Bitcoin on the 3rd of February. So let's go ahead and zoom in and take a look at what occurred since that particular time. Okay, here it is. We expected the market in Bitcoin to continually show us the strength, and it definitely played out. I mean, the market in Bitcoin came and hit our ultimate TP price of about $40,000 right here on February the 6th, which is around 11% profitability. Now, if you was able to participate in the massive increase in price yesterday and you were to get out today, you'll be up 27% into the market in Bitcoin following our prediction that was done on February the 3rd. So congratulations to those who was able to time that at the very top of yesterday's closure on February the 8th. Excellent. So now let's get rid of that and let's talk about what occurred into the market yesterday and what it resembles. What occurred into the market yesterday resembles the fact that the majority of the market participants are still amped to continue to see this market go higher in Bitcoin. I mean, we are definitely, as I zoom out, I want you all to look at how massive this bullish trend is ongoing right now for Bitcoin. This is fantastic. This is the type of information you need to look at to get a gauge as how the overall market is feeling. And everyone is feeling bullish as of yesterday. It confirms to us that the market is still feeling bullish in Bitcoin. The only issue is if we were to come in today and the market comes right back down and closes toward $42,000 or even $40,000, that will put everyone else on pause. That will put the bullishness in the market in Bitcoin on pause. Okay. Now that we already know has to be maintained as support. I'm going to identify about 2 areas that we need to see the market in Bitcoin come in and tag support in order for us to continue to see higher price. This is the first one, 40,000. I would say around $42,000 to $40,500, and then the last one is 38,000. Okay, now this is a very wide area that we can see the trap come in and trade, and we'll still see Bitcoin in an uptrend. Okay. Now, I think everyone is going to be eyeing $50,000 because that is just a nice round figure, but the strength is still here. Based off what occurred into the market in Bitcoin, that very widespread, the increase in volume, and even the ability for it to close at the high of the bar lets us know that the euphoria has not been erased. We're still looking for the market in Bitcoin to go higher in price, even here on the 3-day time frame. Now, the only concern is, like I told you, is some outlying event was to occur and we'll see this market in Bitcoin come all the way back down towards $38,000, which is about 17% movement to the downside. Now, we're not anticipating that at the moment, but I just wanted to show us that $42,000, even $40,000 are very crucial areas of support. So as we continue to play the market movement in Bitcoin, those are the 2 areas we will be paying attention to in regards to where the trap needs to come in and prop up the market. Okay, but generally, we're going to continue to play the strength into this market for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and put in this forecast real quick. And as always, we're going to save you all some time because everyone else tries to utilize their opportunity to speak on price movement with 25, 30-minute videos when it doesn't require all of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Switch this back over to the daily time frame. Let me go ahead and zoom this out. And we're just going to simply TP the market in or around $50,000. Okay, I'm not going to say precisely at $50,000 because, like I tell you all, the market trap does not try to hit the price exactly on those even numbers. So we might fall just a little bit shy of $50,000 or might go a little bit higher. So anywhere literally in our forecast area will be TP. Okay, but we're aiming for $50,000, which is still about 8% market movement from where we are currently seeing the price for Bitcoin trade. Okay, I'm going to hold support initially around 42,000. Okay, but I can also see it trying to come down to 40,000 as well. I'll feel cool with the market coming down to 40,000, but right now we'll try to tag it around 42. Okay, and this is it. We are in position into the market for Bitcoin. We're still expecting the trap to continue to increase the bullishness into the market. We are trading at all-time highs, so we have to be a little bit more vigilant in terms of where will we see some selling occur and try to push this price back down. But for the time being, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin. This is our prediction. This is our forecast of what we're expecting the market in Bitcoin to do over the next 5 to 7 trading days. Let us know what you all think. Do you think the market in Bitcoin is going to continue to see higher price based off the movement that we've seen yesterday? If not, what do you think the price is going to be? Because if anything, we want you all to try to get comfortable doing is predicting where price is going to go. And in order to do that, you guys need to try to forecast and expect price movement and get in position. So let us know. Let everyone else in our community know, where do you all think the price for Bitcoin is headed? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, you know what to do. Trade different.